us how to use a very short method to solve quadratic equation. So we start with this question. Solve x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals to 0. So the first thing we're going to do is to draw a table. So let's just draw the table. We have the table here. On top of the table, we are going to write the product. At the other side, we'll write the sum. So the product is gotten by carrying out a multiplication of the coefficient of x squared and 12. Now the coefficient of x squared is 1 here because it is hidden. So the coefficient is what? Is 1 here. So the product is 1 times 12. And 1 times 12 is going to give us plus 12. So the product is what? Plus 12. So the sum is the middle term here. So the sum is equal to plus 7. So the next thing we're going to do now is to now look for two numbers that will multiply themselves to give this plus 12. And when they add themselves, they are going to give plus 7. So we're going to use the trial and improvement method in order to get those numbers. So we can start with 1 times 12 or 1 times 12. 1 times 12 is going to give us plus 12, right? But 1 plus 12 is going to give us 13, which is wrong. See that this 13 is not equal to this 7, so we're not going to use this. So let us look for another two numbers that is going to multiply themselves to give us plus 12. So let's use 3 and 4. So if you have to say plus 3 times plus 4 is going to be giving us plus 12, which is correct with this, and plus 3 plus 4 is going to be giving us plus 7, which is also correct with this. So the factors we are going to be using, they are 3 and 4. So the next thing we are going to do now is just to what? Write. So we now say x plus 3 equals to 0. So why did we put plus 3 here? Because we are having plus 3 here as one of the factors that we are going to use to carry out our factorization. So we say x plus 3 equals to 0, or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So therefore, we transfer this plus 3 to this side. So x is equal to minus 3, or x is equal to minus 4. So this gives us the final answer.